Get paid to comment on Facebook. Guys, give me the next 5, maybe 10 minutes. Let me show you a system where you can get paid just to comment on Facebook. Let's get ready for the training. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do another video. Also, guys, I will have a link below this video of some powerful tools that you can use to market your business online. Guys, I'll see you in the training. Okay, guys, let's just go ahead and get into the training. Guys, if you are part of this channel, or if you know me, I'm a part of Traffic Domination, guys. And just yesterday, they hit a new tool that they want to offer where you can make a little change from comment on other people's posts. So, guys, I just wanted to kind of show it to you real quick and just show you what you can do with this, okay? Let's just go and go down here. Now, let's go to Comment Dominator, guys. And what you do is, it is an upgrade that you have to do to do this. So, but with commenting every day, quickly, guys, you will make your investment back quickly. So let's just go in and see if any are available so we can comment on. See, it started yesterday, and I've already commented 8 times, guys. And I've already made some commissions. So I will go ahead and comment here. And I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. Let's just open up and see what's available. Hey, okay, let's make a comment on here. And what you do is you go in and you look at this comment. And this procedure is done where you make a real comment, guys. This is not just throwing some out. So let's make a little comment. Let's look at what they wrote right here. And what this is a software that helps you comment. And exactly, this particular post is about this comment where you can make it a quarter per post. And people probably say that's not a lot of money, but let me tell you some, guys, when it start accumulating, it will add up. So let's just make a comment on this. All right, let's just look at this. All right, I got my Grammarly already lit, and let's just double check one more thing. I always have that, and make sure it cleans up my verbiage real quick. And this is an exciting thing. What I like about this this Pro Comment Dominator, you can make a little change. It can help you in this traffic domination, guys. Already a powerful group where you can come in and join free. All these other options that are within this group, it's up to you if you want to upgrade. But I figure you will want to make a little extra change. Let's go ahead and hit enter on there. And now what I do here, guys, I come back here. All right. And let's just go back here and I paste what now I was at $2 before I paste this in. So we'll do this. And we'll post. All right. Let's just go to the commission right quick. And it's pending. Now I was at $2, so that added to, that's pending, you know, my final pay. So let's just go back. I want to go through one more to make sure you guys are really watching this. Let's just do this, and we're gonna go back and we're gonna and the way that works, guys, the actual members pay to get comments on their profile or either their Facebook page, and you get part of the revenue as you come in and comment. So yeah. All right, this is a little product here launched yesterday, and they're gonna have another presentation when it launches again. I'll have a link below the video in case you want to do that. So all right, we're gonna make a comment here. Okay. Yeah, that's why I like Grammarly, that the actually already in, so you can it can clean up on some of your stuff. Yeah. Cool. Just clean up pretty good right quick. Okay. Now I've got this right here, and we just gonna do this pretty quick, guys, and we're gonna come back to where I got the link from, and we're gonna paste it. All right, now just look at our commission. See, we was at 225 a second ago. Let's see where we're at now. All right, we're at 250, guys. So what I'm trying to tell you is, we're talking about a group, guys, that is 77,000 people. Now, everybody not active, but you have a active group that's coming in, and they pay to get comments on their either profile or their page, and you get part of that commission, guys. And let me tell you something, I will continue to go ahead and get all the rest of these. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a game changer. This right here can help you get going, where you can be a part of this traffic domination system, and just getting a little income coming in steadily every day will help you go further in your internet marketing career. Guys, you need to take a look at this. I will have a link below. So if you want to be a part of this special, it will be great for you. Guys, I hope this quick video was awesome to you. I'm looking to see you guys on the inside. Take care, and I'll see you the next time around.